guys, Bizit here. Varmilo sent me their MA108 C Melody mechanical keyboard with their EC-V2 Sakura switches, and these are my thoughts. The C Melody keyboard is a wired USB keyboard with a soft but sturdy feel to it. It has a basic white backlight with an optional breathing effect, no RGB. I use the Varmilo keyboard over the course of a few 10-hour shifts, and I do a lot of typing. With other keyboard, I've usually felt the need to use a wrist rest, but I didn't need to for this one. That is a plus in my book. Now, the Sakura switches are almost as fast falling as Cherry Blues, but with just a little bit more resistance and the tiniest bit of cushion effect when you're landing your keystrokes. Now, personally, I think this would be best for gaming because it's very quick with those keystrokes and you can type pretty quickly on it. But for longer gaming typing sessions, I would probably prefer the resistance and cushion of something like the Cherry MX Black switches. Now, the themed artwork adds a very nice touch to the keyboard. Everyone I showed this keyboard liked it. Now, if this interests you, head over to varmilo.com, check out their entire collection of keyboards and accessories.